Hi guys.
Can you filter this?
I'm here with Maggie.
Can you put like a dog nose on me?
This is YouTube, baby, not Snapchat. Hey y'all, this is my new friend. I just met her. She's my 139th subscriber. If I get famous, that'll be real funny.
Yeah.
And this is my friend Maggie. Do you mind being in the vlog, Chad?
What's up?
Yeah, that's Chad.
Howdy.
Guess he doesn't mind.
Hey, how you
He loves
doing?
attention, so.
That's a loadable.
Well, right now we're in the library, and what are you eating?
I don't know. It's
You don't know what you're eating?
not the best.
Blocked.
It was $8.
He bought
Paid
it.
for
Buffalo
it?
chicken wrap.
Buffalo chicken wrap. He said you better learn today.
I'm gonna learn today.
Maggie's face. We're being good students and doing our work. Psych, I'm editing the video. So, the video that will probably be up.
Could I be a vlogger?
I think you could.
I think I could.
I think you've got the chops.
I could be Trisha Paytas. Get in a fight with me.
No, she doesn't get in the fights on camera. She just cries about it later.
And then Chad told me that he wouldn't buy me a golden necklace. So I jumped and I'm gonna expose him.
I can't believe you've never been on my vlogs before.
I know.
It's crazy. That's like a rite of passage with me.
Not vegan.
No, I'm vegetarian.
So you do honey. You do honey?
This would be my entire vlog. I wouldn't film it just like
I feel
this.
like you're viral.
I feel like I would go viral. Okay, hold on, let me be Alexia. Hey everybody. I'm a vlogger now.
I hate her.
I look really gross. I've been crying all day. But I'm okay.
Huh?
Huh?
What?
I just said.
What? Oh, why am I?
What if like you couldn't see yourself?
That's why you need a camera like this. You need a camera that flips. I asked for this for Christmas last year. And I got it.
Wow.
Believe it or not. My year anniversary is coming up on New Year's Eve of my vlog channel. Inception, obviously.
1 year? That's wild.
1 year of my vlog channel.
And today starts the start of my vlog channel.
I think you really do need to start a channel. We could collab.
Let's
How
collab.
fun would that be?
That'd be so much fun. I just don't know, how do you get to that? Like, how do you
Well, I
edit
used to do
things?
iMovie.
Isn't it like an app?
It comes free on Mac, but I think it's like a short fee on anything
Oh,
else.
paying. With
Well, you
what
could do
money?
Movie Maker.
I made my boyfriend pay for my food and my gas today because I have no money.
I don't have my boyfriend paper. Oh wait, I don't have one. What if I literally did that?
Oh, I had the
With your bell palsy.
I'm so glad it's
my
gone.
friend gave it.
I can actually smile. Remember I couldn't do a kissy? I can do one.
It's with me and my friends.
I can do it.
Who all subscribes to you?
I don't know. I can't see. I can't see who
Why
is
not?
subscribed to me. I don't know. YouTube it's just made that.
All right, well, I'm going to leave you with some advice.
Give them some advice. School them.
School them.
Get learned.
Get learned. Don't take Spanish. That's my advice. I should look at the camera, not myself, but okay, bye. Oh, he bit me.
Okay, so we're here. I just made a new friend. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Kiana. You know I'm a bad in the library doing. I met this. Look at how pretty she is. Look at,
Stop. You're so nice to me. You're nicer than some of the people I've known for years.
thank you. I appreciate that. I tried.
welcome.
Oh, my hair looking bomb in this.
Yes, I love your hair. I was gonna mention that. I really do. It's really pretty.
I gotta get some work done, and I'm sitting here procrastinating.
That's
Look,
okay.
I knew I was gonna come in here and do this too. So I'm looking forward to being on her channel.
Oh, she will be.
Okay, because
No.
she got some subscribers on that. Okay.
Get a little bit. We want some more. Y'all keep subscribing. Y'all see? That's why y'all need to. Alright, hey y'all. So, I am a dummy, and I forgot to bring my camera this morning when Caitlin and I went, shopping to get supplies for our Halloween costumes, which I told you guys were being Lady Liberty and Lady Justice. So we went out to like Dollar Tree and Michael's and we got supplies because I'm making my headpiece from scratch. That makes it sound like I'm carving wood. No, I'm literally I got a headband and some zip ties and I'm making a DIY like sunbeam headband, like the kind you saw like the Met Gala this year. The theme was like Catholic fashion or something like that. I feel like that's wrong, but it was something like that. So I'm gonna make one of those headbands instead of like the really big one, because I feel like people will focus. I feel like people will get it. Like I have the torch and everything. It's like they'll get it. So I figured I'd vlog us making it. We're gonna put on some Lord DIY to get us in the spirit. She always makes me want to do the best I can on craft. So yeah, my face is looking rough because all I have on is like lashes. I didn't even do my eyebrows. That's why if you're on it, her face looks slightly different since my eyebrows aren't bleached like they usually are. But see you when I get to Caitlin's room. All right, so I made it. Here's Caitlin. What are you working on right now?
I'm working on my scales.
Scales for Lady Justice. We're gonna get to crafting.
Guess who?
All right, you guys, we got. Hi. So everybody say hello to the vlog. Hi, vlog. Hey guys. Hello. Y'all, we're here at No Shame Theater, and I'm nervous because I'm performing not once, but twice.
She's gonna do amazing.
I'm doing a spoken word piece that I have never done before. Look at Marcel in the back. I love it. All my friends came to support me.
But Lexi is not.
No, I'm an off-duty cheetah girl. Costume.
You're excited though, right?
Oh, where's Sarah? I need to say hey to Sarah.
Sarah, later.
She keeps looking, but every time I look, she look away.
Give me the notebook. Give me the notebook.
Nervous. All right, y'all. Wish me luck. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. All right, guys. So I'm in Katie and Tiffany's room. Here's Tiffany, and it's Katie's birthday. Oh my God! Look who just walked in. Hey guys. Katie, tell the vloggers how you feel on your 22nd birthday.
I feel 22.
I get it.
I don't know about you.
How are you, Deontay?
Great.
Oh my gosh, this is your first time on my vlog.
It is. I feel weird.
How are you?
Like we're super close.
No, it's not as close as you think.
Good.
Do you watch my channel?
I haven't watched it in a while, but I do watch it.
Oh, thanks. Show us some presents you got today.
I got this present from my friend Alexia.
Listen, I tried my best.
Made it.
I tried my darndest. It did not
It's
turn
so
out that
cute.
good, but
It
that's
says,
okay.
"You better slay, Katie."
It does say that.
She also gave me this.
Yes, I
a
wrote
cute little
her
note.
a handwritten little note.
And the magnet. The magnet. Go show them
Oh, the magnet. Gave her a Wonder Woman magnet. Hello, Raven. She's so cute. I gave her this magnet. She loves Wonder Woman. How are you feeling, Raven?
I'm feeling great. How about you?
Good. I'm feeling good. Yes, I do. This is a monumental moment.
Sorry.
Hey, Raven. Thanks. Woo. Wow, I look like alfalfa. Girl, happy birthday! If you're with me, I'll give you a taste. Make it like your birthday every day. I wish I'll make it like your birthday every day. We came to Krispy Kreme to get donuts for Katie's birthday to put candles on, and this girl, this beautiful woman, bought a dozen donuts for us. How sweet is she? Don't we love her? We stan Raven.
Everybody's sugar mama.
This is gonna be on the internet forever, Raven. I love it. Ready? Another one.
Can we take a moment? Look at this ratchet sign.
Wow!
Alexia! You're gonna have some quality film on here.
I'm scared. Don't expose the fact that I have veggie tails. I bought them too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Katie. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Woo! Yay! All right, Keita came to visit me in Columbus, and so did Harley. Hey. Okay, well, it's almost. And then Hayden. Y'all are gonna be the exit of the vlog, so y'all are gonna be at the end. So do y'all have something to leave the people with? What you got to say, Hayden? Hayden? What do you have? What are you gonna leave the people with in the video? Say bye. Bye.